Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this smart lock for weaving purposes. Let's open it up, okay? And as we can see, it comes really well protected. We have the instruction manual, all the guides to make the drilling holes, okay? We have everything that we need to install, all the keys and even some RFC cards, the locking mechanism and everything. On this side, we have the main units. As you can see, this is the part that goes inside where we can place the batteries. And this is the outer handle. We can use it with our fingertip or with a code in the pin pad, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and test it out, install it, and let's see how it works, okay? Come on.
Okay guys, the assembly process is actually really simple. It doesn't take that much long and it's really nice that you can install it all by yourself. It comes with all the instructions that you're gonna need and all the markings on the hole, and I think that it's great because you get 5 different ways to unlock it with the fingertip, the code, the card and the key, and connecting it to the app, which I think that it's really nice. I also like that you can check all the records in the application, and then you can get up to 300 users, which I think that it's really nice, each one with a different fingertip, a key card or a pin code, which I think that it makes it really useful overall. And as you can see, it installs up and outside it looks really amazing.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed up and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really simple design with the fingertip scanner right here on the handle, and I think that it's great. It has also a little function that I think that it's really nice, that when you press this key, it rings a doorbell, which makes you know that someone's at the door, and I think that it's really nice. As you could see, the installation process was really easy. It doesn't take that much long, but you do need to have made a hole upon your door, which I think that it's really nice. It's really quick, and well, let's test it out. You can see it also says that it's unlocked, and now we can enter our house, which I think that it's really nice. It's really simple to use, and you can have RF cards, the fingertip, you can unlock it with your cell phone, and I think that it's really nice. And overall, I like it a lot. I think that it looks amazing, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.